spot things that we haven't. A bit lighter in weight now, of course.
There she is. Look at her.
This way.
Can I take her home?
Sophie's the one who feeds her, flies her, does everything with her. Doodles. Oh, that's not even on the glove. You love her. Yeah, you. Did she hurt? Did she hurt you?
Here we go.
Come on, H. She used to be in a centre in Northamptonshire. She'd only fly to the women, and because there's only Sophie and I in our team, we thought the gentleman who owned it, said she might do better with you guys than she does with us. I would say this is not the biggest of the European eagle owls by any stretch. She is a 6-pound bird, but we do know that they can go up to 10 pound in weight. This, guys, though, is a Peregrine Falcon. 2 seconds as they hit their prey and pull back up. So it's just those last few seconds that they'll actually reach those speeds. This is a very unique in the way it hunts, guys, in that it's a dense forest bird for hunting, but it is one of the few that will actually carry its prey back to the nest. Most birds, when it comes to the eagles, will catch their prey, eat as much as they can, as fast as they can, and then they'll go back to their nest sites. Her weapon is all in the back toe. If I turn around, guys, if you see that back claw.
Yeah.
Falcons are the only ones really that will use their beak. If a falcon bites you, that hurts.